Hello everybody, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have a Haas tool room mill. This machine has a 41.5 by 10.5 inch table, has a 4,000 RPM spindle, a 10 station turret. Today we are going to run the spindle for you, show you some axis movement, do a couple tool changes. If you have any more questions, I'll list more specs in the description below so we can take a look at the machine. Well, there you all have it, the Haas tool room mill. If you have any more questions, go ahead and call us at 909-919-9600, or you can jump over to our website. It's www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time.